something very interesting. We're going for a massage today at the hotel. So we've done the full tank, which is 63 liters. I think 65 liters ka tank hai. Bibi aa gayi hai. How is it? Good. Yeah? Good morning, YouTube. This is precisely the grueling nature of the 75 hard. No matter how sore you are, there are no rest days coming. So you've got to manage your activity levels and your deep rest, which is going to be tough to manage because of work. But that's where it gets very interesting. I'm very excited to see a transformation inside out, right? So the outside will take care of itself, but it's the inside that I really want to take care of. So yeah, this is day 2 on that account. Let's have some tea. मैं 12:30 सो गया था, woke up आराम से.
I slept at 11ish, woke up at like 8 o'clock.
अच्छा कल काम नहीं था.
आज काम है ना, आज पता चलेगा.
पेंटिंग से मैच कर रही है शक्ल.
अभी आएगा, ललित को भेजता हूँ चेक, एक तेरा मिलेगा.
मेरे तो पैसे सेविंग से वापस आने ना ओडी में, उन्होंने सारे ले लिए थे.
तो वो भी चेक लेगा, डालेगा ना.
वो चेक उनको मैंने उसी टाइम दे दिया था. ये चैलेंज बहुत अच्छा बट उनके लिए जिनके पास बहुत पैसिव इनकम है. विदाउट सिर्फ चैलेंज कर और पैसे की टेंशन मतलब.
मैं यही सोच रही थी
है ना
अभी कि यार ऑफिस का काम भी करना है, उसके बाद ये सब भी करना है, एंड देन अपनी ट्रेडिंग के लिए भी देखनी है चीजें, तो इतना टाइम कहाँ से लाए.
गपत चालियो
कभी यहाँ जरा दरवाजे पे खड़ा हो.
Man, Guppy's running a lot. Oh god. Okay, that was precisely 45 minutes of walking, but it's tiring. It's genuinely tiring. I don't know why. And I'm all sweaty. This guy runs a lot. Now let's go have some breakfast and get energy inside the body. That is quite a breakfast. You made it.
Kinda assembled it.
Assembled it now.
Like I made stuff. I made this. I didn't marinate that, but I
Assembly gave 10 on 10 marks. Huh? Well done, bro. What a meal.
Randomly came up with this.
So this is the breakfast you can have at home. Garlic bread hai ye. And this creamy mushroom.
No, this we didn't have mushrooms, so we just did creamy veggies. Like it's
Creamy
veggies in white
veggies
size.
and-
What's it? White sauce.
White sauce. And ye chicken hai, ye paneer hai,
Because I thought that protein will be less for you.
and ye hai chutney. Quite a nice brunchy breakfast, I would say. Good. ये दीदी का नाश्ता है.
My God, क्या मैंने किया ही और क्या मुझे दिया गया खाने के लिए.
Aesthetics पे मत जा, nutrition पे जा.
Nutrition में भी गोल है.
Okay, one of our trades is still running. We are trailing it, but we've entered a new trade today. Can you explain what's the rationale for entering this trade? I mean, seems very high quality to me, but what is your rationale for entering this? How do you see this trade?
I think it's like a top of base, out of base consolidation. It consolidated at the top and then it's breaking out.
Yeah, so basically the thing is, this was the first breakout, right? This one. And we usually stay away from these first breakouts because they tend to trouble you a lot. Then it sets up another base and breaks out quite from the lows. So entering here will not make sense, and then it consolidates. Now this consolidation is very constructive because of this volume dry up in these 2 tight days. It's a clean breakout and your stop loss is also defined.
Yeah.
If it closes like this, that's tremendous news. And if it comes back in entirely, that's horrible news. That's when you'll have to get out of it. But so far seems like a decent
But the
swing
sector's
trade.
doing well.
And the sector's also doing well. So there's the sectoral push. So this is the sort of stuff we're looking at. The price to earnings ratio is also very healthy for this
How
one.
much is it?
It's near close to median. Let's go, son. Gabu mama workout kalai. आपने भी workouts किया है. We've made a very interesting video on GST and service charge, and now we're getting our reading tasks done. She's करा है, पढ़ लिया या अभी पढ़ना है?
पढ़ना है. ये
तो पढ़.
पानी पी रही
And then we're doing something very interesting. We're going for a massage today at the hotel, and वहीं workout करेंगे. So we'll use that gym as well, and वहाँ coffee शॉफी पियेंगे, थोड़ा खर्चा करेंगे. But it'll be fun. It's like pampering ourselves today. थोड़ा Jasmine को भी pamper करा दे. एंड वहीं वर्कआउट होगा, वहीं मसाज होगी, फिर वहीं कॉफ़ी होगी, फिर घर आ जाएंगे हम बेलों की तरह।
तू सोच रहा है वहाँ पर मसाज, पहले हम वर्कआउट करेंगे फिर हम मसाज करेंगे, उसके बाद हम कितने भूखे होंगे।
हाँ भूख लगेगी तो कुछ हाई प्रोटीन खाएंगे वहाँ पर।
सर्विस चार्ज पूरी तरह से स्टाफ और सर्वर और रसोइयों और हाउसकीपिंग आदि के खाते में जाता है, लेकिन इसके बजाय सर्विस चार्ज रेस्टोरेंट के लाभ और हानि और राजस्व का एक घटक बनता है, जिसका मतलब है कि उन्हें इस राशि पर भी टैक्स देना पड़ता है। यहीं पर चीजें पूरी तरह से पेचीदा हो जाती हैं।
पेचीदा हो गई है।
उपभोक्ता कानून नहीं है, कोई श्रम कानून नहीं है जो ये अनिवार्य करे।
पानी ने भी 75 हार्ड शुरू किया। दिखाओ वीडियो अपनी।
स्टोरी पे डाले, इट्स नॉट रियल वे। यस, पर तूने 24 मिनट का वर्कआउट क्यों करा है?
24
3 ही तो हुए।
और भी करा ना, ये तो सिर्फ वॉक थी,
अच्छा,
सब कुछ सरल डालो।
मतलब you're doing 2 workouts of 45 minutes each ना?
मिनिमम 45 मिनट्स, बट अभी तक द
हालत पहले दिन में दिख गई है। वानी पहले कितनी अच्छी तरह ओवरकोट बाल बना के आती थी।
अभी इसके बाद इसलिए कि इसके बाद वर्कआउट नहीं करने जाऊंगी तो
हम भी जा रहे हैं। कितनी देर में निकलना है?
बस अभी
द हार्डेस्ट थिंग अभी तक सो फार इज वाटर।
वाटर किल्स यू।
It's quite a beautiful day. ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ gym and spa.
Hello, Karen Gulati.
Let us go. Now once again we're in the car and Jasmine isn't here. Always late. She's bathing and she's got to go gym. और अब नहा रही है and just getting late. 95.
XP ना?
हाँ जो भी XP 95 है हाँ. So we've done the full tank which is 63 liters. I think 65 liters का tank है. थोड़ा बहुत तो reserve में भी होगा इसमें. So left is Mussoorie and right we go to the hotel. How many cups is 900 ml? अब हम ये देखेंगे because मैडम अपनी बोतल भूल गई है.
I think 50 ml है।
5 cups is 900. So how much is 1 cup?
900 divided by 5, which should be 5 ones are 4.
180. Dude, it can't be 180.
I just did that.
चलो. A pretty solid workout is done. And now let's go for a massage. Interestingly, mom and dad are going to join us for dinner. So after we're done for the massage, Ma Bapu are joining us and it will be fun to have dinner here as well. Na to ke ready ho jaunge. We're carrying a change as well. कोई वॉरियर मसाज है? Like sports massage. हाँ deep touch ठीक है. Well being relaxing. Stress away और deep touch में क्या फ़र्क है? Now because I've just hit the gym, I'm gonna quickly jump into the shower and then get ready for the massage. Really looking forward to this. Okay, that is done. Now we can certainly get started with the massage. I'm gonna see you later. Bro, that was really something. Oh, it was good. But the back is really knotted. Like everything was paining a lot. I need to focus more on recovery. I've been just lifting. I need to focus more on recovery and less on just muscle, more on mobility as well. Been ignoring mobility. Let's take a shower, get ready, and then parents are coming here for dinner. Okay, brilliant experience. Now let's go join Ma Bapu for dinner. And this is my fit, basic, casual, no hoods given. Okay, so one has a 50% discount and one has 20. We are done. Let's go join Ma Bapu for dinner. Kitty, क्या हाल है? ये दो वाले टेबल पे क्यों बैठे हो? Bibi आ गई है. How is it? Yeah? Bro, she made me scream. She's like, आपकी बैक में कितने knots हैं?
सेम मेरे यहाँ पर जब
हाँ, वानी से पूछ कहाँ है?
क्या हो रहा है? ज़्यादा स्पाइसी नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा
I went for like a 10-minute steam.
I didn't do it.
Take some extra dipping sauce. तो मेरा फिगर इतना स्मार्ट लग रहा था.
क्या है? मम्मी इज वेयरिंग व्हिच वन? कौन सा गोटा? टेड बेकर.
हाँ, ये जो हमने फ्लैट रेट पे लिया था, इमोशनल परचेज. क्यों वानी? Will you agree with this or not?
सोचूंगी इस बारे में.
औरत की सबसे बड़ी दुश्मन.
No comment.
चलो जी, we are back, baby.
Conversation पे गाड़ी में मजा आया.
Absolutely brilliant day out. Now we're gonna edit the YouTube video. This video that's being recorded, you'll see it tomorrow at 10 in the morning. We're also waking up early for Asa Divar commentary on the Party 18. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. See you tomorrow.